In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move labels in Gmail, a simple yet effective way to keep your inbox organized and effective. Now, if you're someone who receives a lot of emails daily, you know how crucial it is to maintain some sort of order, and labels are perfect for categorizing your messages. Think of them as folders, though they're even more flexible. Let's dive right in and make email management a breeze. Start by opening Gmail, which you can access through any web browser. Once you're in, you should see your inbox right there on the center of your screen. Now, look to your left and you'll notice a sidebar that lists all your labels. If you have many, you might need to scroll down a bit. This sidebar is essentially your control center for managing and organizing labels. You can move a label by simply dragging and dropping it to rearrange the order. To do this, hover your mouse over the label you want to move. You should see a small icon that looks like a grid of dots appear on the left side of the label. Click and hold down on this icon and then drag it to wherever you want in the order. Release the mouse button and you've successfully moved your label to a new location. This lets you prioritize your most used labels by keeping them at the top, making them quickly accessible. Now, if you find a label that you rarely use or you just want to tidy things up, you can create sublabels by dragging a label under another one. Think of it like nesting. To do this, again, click and hold the grid of dots next to the label, then drag it slightly to the right under its new parent label. This helps in compressing your view while maintaining accessibility. If dragging isn't your preferred method, or you're using a touchpad and find it tricky, there's a handy alternative. Simply click on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings. From there, navigate to the Labels tab. Here you can rearrange labels by changing their corresponding position numbers. Entering a smaller number will move a label higher up the list. After making these changes, always remember to scroll down and click Save Changes to ensure your rearrangements are saved. One tip to keep things clean and tidy: regularly review and adjust your labels as your priority and interests change. Gmail's labeling system is fluid and can adapt to your needs as they evolve. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your Gmail labels. Organizational skills are key to productivity, and a little arrangement can save a lot of time. If you found this guide useful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.